Sir, what kind of an airship is this? Oh, for God's sake. An airship. That's all it is. Nothing else, just an airship. Stop messing with him. No, until we stop him. You are not stopping him. He's building the airship no matter what. No, this is a story. I like to make stories when I build airships. This is the airship so far. Sir, why are you letting him? Because it's his airship, for God's sake. You don't think I can't see that? Look at this! I'm literally looking up at it. And even knowing I'm in my building, it's still blooming easy to look at it. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's because of the size. Well, yes, sir. We understand that. But the size of it is huge. Ah, yes, I know. I know it's big. God's sake. As if you're not listening. The airship is huge. Yes, I know that. But the size doesn't count. It's the stupid fact it's gonna fly. It's gonna fly when? When it's built. Don't you understand? When it's built, they're made to fly. When they're being built, they don't fly. How do you not know that? Okay, you're going too far. No, I'm not. I am just making you see how stupid you're being. Okay, you better not just go. Hear me off. So he's reached halfway point. Yes, I know he's reached halfway point. I'm watching everything he does. So will you not stop? Oh, no, you don't want me to snap. It's your fault. You shouldn't have been talking to me like that. Story continues. Yes, sir. You have plans for when he builds the airship? Yeah, we're gonna be the crew. Oh, we're the crew. Great. I've never thought about here. Why are you in this stupid mood? You kidding? That, that fun noise was too real. Oh, God. Oh, God. that was so funny. Sir, the airship is big. Don't you finish that. I already know it's being built. You've said it 5 times. You always say about it being built. I should know by now. You know that? Yes! Shut up. No, we're not shut up. Okay then. Your fault. Why? Why? when I try to on this and do a video, why has it got to be farting noises? That makes me look bad. Oh, the ship is being shit. It's an airship. And yes, I know it's being built, for God's sake. Bruh, your voice. I know I'm sorry I shut. Oh my god, why is that kind of illusion? Oh my. Oh god, that was scary. You were like going up and down, like waves. I could literally see it as I moved. That was, oh no way. Bro, that was scary. So, do not say the airship is being built, because I know it is. So, block after block, he builds it, and you're still not gonna stop him? No! I'm not stopping him! How many times must I tell you? I'm not stopping him. That's called speed. That's called speed stamp clicking. That's where you press down on the L, like the giant thing that's supposed to be the top. That's where you press that and move at the same time. Then it'll make you go really fast whilst building. Now, looking at that already, you would say what? Oh God, why does that look like a pyramid at the end of it? Why does it look like a pyramid at the end? It's supposed to be circular. Oh God. Oh, that is weird. Why does it look like the entire thing's just collapsing in on itself? Until the next part, I guess. Yeah, if you're wondering already, I'm building an airship. And don't forget about the don't forget about the train journey there. I'm doing that video on the 9th of April. All the way to Scarborough, to the beach for the entire day, and then back on the next train. Of course, I'm going there by train as well. Don't worry, I've already got a train pass, so I won't need to pay for the train journey because I've got a train pass. Up, down, up, down, up. Why does it look like there's a wave just following me? Like a tsunami's just chasing me. Wow, 9 minutes into the video only? Jeez, I thought it was more than that. Sorry if I suddenly start making weird noises, but I do sometimes like making funny songs. Hold on. Alexa, play Tetris theme B on loop. Tetris theme. Corrigan accused by London Philharmonic Orchestra and Andrew Skeet from Apple Music. Alexa, stop. Alexa, volume 10. Alexa, Play Tetris theme B on loop.
Tetris theme, Korobeiniki by London
Alexa,
Philharmonic Orchestra.
stop it. Alexa, play Tetris theme A plus B on loop.
B theme / Tetris by Simon Loveridge on repeat on Amazon Music.
Alexa, play B theme from Tetris by another artist.
Tetris Type B theme by Fane Wolf on Amazon Music.
Alexa, play Tetris theme B by Philharmonic Orchestra.
Tetris theme, Korobeiniki by London Philharmonic Orchestra and Andrew Skeet from Apple Music.
Alexa, play Tetris theme B by another artist.
Tetris theme, Korobeiniki by London Philharmonic Orchestra and
Alexa, stop. Alexa, play Tetris theme B on loop.
Tetris theme, Korobeiniki by London Philharmonic
Alexa,
Orchestra and Andrew Skeet from Apple Music.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, play theme B from Tetris on loop.
Theme A plus B from Tetris by Game and Sound from
Yes,
Apple Music.
that's all I wanted. Wow, that's a really good song. I'm actually kind of getting touched. Jesus Christ, what a good song! Yes, Alexa, play theme B from Tetris Metal Cover.
The theme//Tetris by Simon Loveridge on Amazon Music.
Here's lovely song from them. Alexa, play Tetris Theme B by Metal Cover on another artist.
I couldn't find Tetris theme by Malcolm Vaughan, but here is other music by Malcolm Vaughan.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, play Tetris Theme B Metal Cover by another artist on loop.
Here's Tetris theme, Korobaniki by Alexei Pogitnov, Andrew Skeet, and London Philharmonic Orchestra on repeat on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, play Tetris Theme B Metal Cover by another artist.
Tetris theme from Tetris by Video Game Players on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, play B theme from Tetris on Metal Cover phone.
Here's theme from B Movie, The Pollen Jocks by the Riverfront Studio Orchestra on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, play
Tiptoe, featuring
Alexa,
French Montana by
stop. Alexa, play B theme from Tetris on loop.
Tetris theme, Korobaniki by London Philharmonic
Alexa,
Orchestra.
stop. Alexa, play Tetris Theme B Metal Cover on loop.
Here's Tetris theme from Tetris by Video Game Players on repeat on Amazon Music.
Fine. I like this song so much. Why is it gonna do that? My throat is not gonna be okay after this. Brilliant. Who am I talking to? Oh yes, I'm talking to my viewers who are watching me do this. What was that? What the? Hey, nope. You won't say it? That's it. I don't want anything else to do. Okay, viewers, I'm not gonna do that anymore. The stupid thing just cuts off for no reason. Sorry for the sudden shut off music. Alexa, are you okay?
I'm feeling silly and learning some Monty Python quotes. Just say, your mother was a hamster.
What the hell? Okay. That's not what I expected it to say. Oh no! Sick. What is it with me and doing stupid sounds like that? Oh god! What is that? What was the noise? Ouch! I'm never that wanting me to stop. I need to stop him doing stupid. You can't see me. Oh, you can see me. There we go. I'm back. Yeah. Come on, stop it. Holy shoot, I did it again. Oh, yeah. I think he built an airship. You think? You think? I. What was that? What was that? As you see, what I'm kind of trying to do is make it seem like I was conversating on something. So it makes my airship look more real, more meant to look like something. And in truth, I shouldn't even have that. It should be like this. This is what an airship looks like. Their back is actually just one massive rudder, like that. So now we've got full airship part of the tail, and now it looks like this airship has been made for one purpose. And so far from the back, you can tell it's an airship now because the back has a more realistic, rigid design. Now what I do is I do it again. So what I've done is I've gone for that first, then what I'm gonna go over the sides till I've got a perfect airship side done. So what you're seeing now is me literally showing you how I finish airships. Now if this is 36 minutes again, I do apologise. This ain't my favourite part of the video. Because I have to find out whether I've done the airship part right. And I can say I haven't. I've gone way too far out. No. Have I still gone too many blocks in? Yes, I have. Not by much. That's okay. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And on the other side there's 12. No, there is exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I need to do is just try this. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we just need to. Hold on. Let me recount. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6. Is this 6 on this side? There better be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. You move this side off. Now it's equal. So time to equalize the sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. Now go out. what you're seeing there is the back of the airship. Yeah, you heard me. The back. Here is the front. And then you'll see why I know that airships are better built when they're made by me as well. But of course you can't see it. Then let me do something. So here, there's that side. We go all the way over here. Here's the back. This is an airship you won't have seen. Oh, yes. That down there, let's just put it this way, that's the factory. That's the entire thing that I would have built them in. But because of its length and the fact that this is way longer, I already knew it wouldn't fit in the hangar. So I think I've made a makeshift version of the hangar that would have been used. Oh well. I have to use this to make the bridge. Use this contrast as zero contrast. Even though I don't like zero contrast because it looks horrible. But then again, did you say zero contrast is the best contrast? And don't ask me how I found that out. Someone just put it there. Look, oh, no hands. Hell no. What's the noise? Oh, no. Actually, having a golden version would be perfect. Makes the airship look more kind of cool, I guess. Is cool's the word to put it? Makes it look kind of cool. I don't need stairs. I don't need iron bars either, idiot. I need the stairs. I mean, I mean, I just need the door. Ah, there we have it. The airship is complete. This is Atlantis Express. That's what it'll be called. The Atlantis Express. There's the airship built in Minecraft's thing with the actual factory underneath it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and comment. Other than that, I hope you enjoy.